Hello and welcome. I am so excited to show you the cutest Valentine painting project. It's going to look like this beautiful masterpiece when you're done. Here's what you need. You need black acrylic paint. You need paper towel rolls or toilet paper, whatever you have, both work. Scissors, watercolors, a paintbrush, and some water. And a paper towel, which I don't have, so I'm gonna have to go get really quick. 1 second. Paper towel or a napkin, either one. Okay, so here's what we're going to do first. Get your blank piece of paper, just like this, any size works, and get your paint, shake it up, and you're going to, oh my gosh, oh, just spilled. Okay, good thing I just got a paper towel. Wow. Oh, wow. Well, you know, the fun part about doing art is making a mess. So, it's okay. So, you're going to take it, put it on your plate, and just give it like a little glob. Then take your paper towel roll or toilet paper roll, whichever one you got, and just cut it so it's just like a small size, about this size. And you're going to take it, you're going to turn it into the shape of a heart. Perfect for Valentine's Day. Okay, see how that's kind of like a heart? Yeah, cool. Okay, so then you're going to take it, and you're going to put it in the black paint that you just poured. Just give it a nice little dab. And then, see, it turns into a stamp. And then we're going to stamp it onto our piece of paper. Ta-da! Okay, and then I'm just gonna keep doing that. And I like to make sure you kind of like push on it. And you're gonna fill your whole paper with hearts. And it really doesn't matter which way they go. It looks beautiful no matter what. And I'm just gonna keep going until I fill the whole page. And then if you're making this at home, what you can always do is pause the video and then press play, pause it, press play, because I'll probably speed this part up so that you can see the end. Okay, then when you're all done stamping, you should get something that kind of looks like this, but you're not going to take the watercolors out yet. We're going to let it dry for a few minutes, wait till it's all dry, and then we'll come back. I'm gonna go wash my hands before we start the watercolor while it dries. Okay, so it's pretty much dry. Now you're gonna wanna get your watercolors, your paintbrush, a cup of water, and a paper towel. I'm gonna get this a little wet and just kind of clean it off. And now's the fun part. You can paint inside the hearts, really any color you want. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. And then you can always pause it too. And then I'm going to clean out and say swish, 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 down, 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 swish, 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 down, down, down. I want to make sure the paintbrush is all cleaned off before I go into another color. Okay, you can leave it like this, or if you want, you can take a color. Okay, I kind of filled it all in with the blue. And now I'm gonna sit and let this dry. And when you're all done, it'll look something like this. How beautiful. And if you want, you can even fold it in half and turn it into a card, write a note to a friend or a teacher or a grown-up. So pretty, so fun. Both are beautiful. Have fun.